Sarah's here. Yeah. Hi. My sister's here. We're at the market. It's going well so far. I'm loving it. I miss talking to people so much because I haven't done a market in a year, so it's been a while, but it's really nice chatting to people and meeting different people. So yeah, and things are selling good. So fingers crossed we sell out soon and then I get to go home. But yeah, so I've got Sarah here with me and I will keep you updated as to what we get up to.
Will it hear the music?
Yeah.
General conversation. And I'm like, we're just talking. Like, just general conversation. And I'm like, wait.
So guys, a little update. We've almost sold out. We've got, I think it's 12 or 13 items left. Basically, we bribed the DJ, or my sister bribed the DJ with a brownie and said, can you give us a shout out? So I'll turn you around so you can see what I'm on about. But the DJ is like over there. And obviously there's like all these stalls and people. So yeah, we bribed him with a brownie and he's done 3 shout outs so far, and he keeps saying these are like the best brownies in the universe, you need to go and get them. And every time he's done a shout out, people have come over. So it's really good. So we've almost sold out, so it's a success. So basically we've decided that whatever event we go to next, if they have a DJ, we're bribing them straight away. Like we needed to bribe him at like 11 AM. Like, but yeah, basically the ice cream van parked in front of us. So there's certain spots of the field where you can't really see us at all. So I think that didn't help, but the DJ pulled through and helped us. It was a success! We only left with 5 things, and that's because I didn't want to stay for ages. But yeah, it was really, really good. So I'll see you when I'm home. Hey guys, I'm just editing this video. I just wanted to do a little roundup to finish off the vlog. But basically it was a massive success. I didn't expect it to go as well as it did. Like I said, we sold everything bar about 5 items I think it was that I took home, which was all cookies. We sold out on all the brownies, which was expected, and I went around giving some samples, which helped sell them, and also bribing the DJ also helped, because I mentioned it earlier in the video, but for some reason the ice cream van decided to park right in front of us. And bearing in mind there was loads of space when he came, like it wasn't that busy when he arrived, so he could have parked anywhere, and he chose to block the only food stall that was there. I just thought that was a bit interesting, because he was obviously selling ice creams and I was selling cakes. But yeah, there was loads of room where he could have moved, but I just didn't say anything, and I probably will next time if something like that was to happen again, because it definitely made a difference. But apart from that happening, it was a massive success, and it was so nice to do it. Like, I haven't done a market in over a year, and it was just so nice to get out and chat to people. Like, there were so many lovely people that were actually asking me about the business and like asking if I do cakes and all of that. And I was just talking about my cakes, and my sister was like, oh my god, you just sound so good because you just love talking about it. And I was like, this is what I love, like getting out, talking to people. So I'm gonna look and see if I can do some more markets, because I definitely want to. But yeah, overall it was really good and I loved it so much. I was thinking of doing a video just talking about like some tips for doing markets, anything that I've learned, because there's definitely more things that I learned doing this one, and just, yeah, extra things that you might need to know, and like good things to take, which I didn't take last time but I took this time, so a few extras. But yeah, if you want to see that then let me know. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you're enjoying the regular uploads, because like I say, now I've reduced my hours at the gym. We're back to uploading twice a week and I'm loving it, so I hope you guys are too. If there's any videos you want to see, comment them down below, because I'm, like I say, back on it doing the videos and I'm so excited. I've got about 5 already filmed, So I'm just working through and editing those, so you can expect to see quite a few good videos over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, I will love you and leave you. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!